Welcome back, everybody. I'm back with another brown gal hack. Today I'm going to show you a cool little trick about how to warm up your face and give yourself an epic finish. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a warmish foundation. This is Rose Beige by L'Oreal True Match, which I'm really a fan of this consistency, and I suggest you guys try it. It's a really beautiful finish to this particular foundation. It's very seamless. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a nice bronzy color, and this is the 24 Karat Nudes by Maybelline. And I'm going to take, I'll tell you which color, I'm going to take this bronzy goldy color right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to scrape it out, and I will use a spatula, but you can use your thumb. So I'm just going to come right in here and scrape. So you can see I've picked that up, and I'm just going to dust it into that liquid foundation. And now I'm going to mix. And what this is going to do, as you can see, is it's going to turn it into a beautiful brown, which will have a little bit of a glow. You can see how nicely that's going to sit on my skin. I'm going to take a beauty blender and just dip it into this. And now I'm going to come in and just really lightly give myself a little warmth. Around my face. You can see how subtle but how pretty that is. So at this stage you can see that with a full eye and a lip, my skin needed some character as well. It needed to have its bones pop out. And here you can see this is helping us achieve that quite easily. And like I showed you with the highlight trick, I don't know if you guys have seen that highlight video. Please go and check it out. It's the sister to this video. If you put a little bit of glow into your face products, into the foundation, you get this subtle glowiness as opposed to sort of warm chocolate brown stripes. So if you add the glow to your foundation and take it up or down, you can see that this dries down like a powder. I demonstrated that for you in a highlight video that I've done just like this. And if you just go with your foundation and crush something glowy into it, and then you sculpt your face, you will see this amazing finish. And because you've crushed eyeshadow into the foundation, when it dries down as a powder. So by this point, all of this is dry. And you can just run your fingers over it to make sure that that is smooth, dry, and you can see the gorgeous glowy effect that it gives your face. I hope that triggered your imagination. Look at your bronze eyeshadows, your bronzers even, crush them into your foundation and give your face a sculpt using the liquid foundation and that bronzer or that bronze eyeshadow combined. Just gets this gorgeous finish. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think it's just really subtle and really adult and really beautiful. Just gets this gorgeous finish. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think it's just really subtle and really adult and really beautiful. Thank you so much for joining me again. Please subscribe and like, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.